Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. I hope everyone is having a great day. It's about 82 degrees where I live at here. But tomorrow it's supposed to be a little cooler because we're getting some rain tonight. But anywho, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Now tonight I'm going to make some tacos. So I'm going to use some simple ingredients along with the taco seasoning mix, which is Italian seasoning, black pepper, as well as onion powder. Okay, so and in this pot here I already have my ground beef, which I took out the freezer, let it thaw out. So it is definitely good to go. I kind of like this ground beef because I did not purchase it from the store. Actually, it came from my meat market. And it is definitely a different taste. It really has a different taste. It's really, really good. So just want to give a shout out to my meat market here in town. So without further ado, let's get this party started. So what I'm going to do first is brown the ground beef. Add in the ingredients. I'm going to use some Italian seasoning just because, you know, I like Italian flavors. You don't have to do this, but to me, it's just something about these tacos that make it taste much better. And I really haven't decided, this is some pepper, you guys. I haven't really decided if I am going to use a hard shell or a soft shell yet. Paprika in here, just for coloring, just a tad bit of salt. I'll list all the ingredients below. And I need a little bit of chili powder as it comes to me. There we go. And that is a winner. I have it on number 2 on my stove, okay? So it's on low. I don't like to cook ground beef fast. It tends to make it, I don't want to say crunchy, but I don't know if crunchy is not a good word to use for this. Y'all forgive me. I just got out of class a few hours ago, and my mind is still on that exam I had for OSHA, the first exam. So I think I did pretty well, you guys. So we're just gonna let this brown, and then I'll come back to you guys. Go ahead and finish this up, okay? I did add a little bit of onions and garlic, as you can see. Not much, just give it a taste. Have the fire on number 2 still. And we're just gonna let this do what it's doing. Brown for us. Then we're gonna come back, add in our taco seasoning mix, along with some water. Let this come to a boil. And then we are definitely ready to plate this up on a Tuesday night. Yes, yes, yes. So I thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to watch this video. If you have not done so already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Share the video with your friends and family. And leave a comment below. Now, you can leave any comment that you want below. You can talk about this meal. You can have a suggestion of what you would like to see me cook. I'm open for conversation, so if you get the conversation going, I definitely will respond to all comments, okay? This is definitely therapy for me, away from the books. So I don't mind cooking for you guys at all. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let that brown, like I said. We're gonna see you back for about 10 minutes, okay? All right, stay tuned. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there is our ground beef that's brown. Now, it's not that much grease in there, so I'm not worried about draining this ground beef. I'm gonna add in the taco seasoning mix. Let's give this a stir before we add in the water, okay? So that it can be mixed in with the other ingredients very well. Is that my favorite word to use, y'all? Very well. I think it is when I'm doing videos. I think I have a tendency of saying that. Or such as. I don't know. Okay, so that's mixed in. I'm probably using the wrong utensil to stir this, but this is what we're doing today. We're going to add in that water, let it boil. 2/3 cup. Turn this fire up high so it can boil. Now, once it comes to a boil, we're going to be ready to come back and plate this up for you guys, okay? Oh, my smells good, y'all. That smells good. See you back in a minute. Okay, there you have it. About 3 to 4 minutes. We let it boil. Let me get everything together. We're going to be ready to plate this up, let you sample it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is our tacos. I got a hard shell. Now, this is for him. I'm using a soft taco tonight, but I did want to show it to you. Does not look good. Now, when I make mine, okay, I'm going to put a lot of stuff on it, which you will notice the difference. But I'm just want to show you this before I give him his plate of food. Happy Tuesday. Happy Taco Day to everyone. And give me 1 minute. I'm going to come back and make mine on a soft taco, and we're going to pig out on it. So let me go ahead and make sure this is brown on each side, and I'm come back, and we're ready to eat for sure, y'all. I promise, I promise, I promise. I have my soft taco browned to my liking. You don't want it toasted like this, of course. You don't have to toast yours as dark. But this is the way I'm doing mine, you guys. Okay, so we got our meat in there, right? Now, because I like some onions, I want more onions. Of course, make your taco the way you want to make your taco, okay? This is just what I'm putting on mine tonight, on my soft shell. Got some tomatoes I cut up. Using tomatoes because I had some left over the other day for a salad I made. So I decided to top it off with some lettuce as well, with some cheese. Oh yeah, Lordy. Yeah, y'all. Yes. Nothing to it but to do it. We're gonna put some cheese on top of there. How about that? How does that look to y'all? Oh. How does that look? I'm gonna wrap this up so you can actually see it. As soon as I get my sauce on there. I'm using some mild sauce. You can use whatever sauce you like on top of your taco. It's up to you. Ooh, this is big. And then we're gonna fold it, okay? I'm gonna get a good picture of that, y'all. Oh, look at that. Okay, y'all ready to get a bite of this? It is so juicy. Oh my goodness. Y'all ready to bite? You get a piece? Oh, look at those juices coming up out of there. I'm gonna have to go get a fork. All right. Y'all like onions, tomatoes, and lettuce and cheese? I'm gonna have to hold this plate and bring it to me because I don't want to drop any. Y'all, this is so good. I'm gonna add in some more tomatoes. It tastes so good on this taco, y'all. As a reminder, if you haven't done so already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next upload. Yes, 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 y'all. I'm sorry. I'm making this as big as possible because her sister has not eaten today, and I'm just ready to pig out. Can y'all sample that? Ooh, yes, Jesus. Y'all, this taco is good. If you use those ingredients I used, you definitely are going to taste a difference in your taco, okay? Just a little bit of that Italian seasoning or the other ingredients I used. Yeah, give it another bite. I'm telling you, I gotta pick the plate up. I want to thank you for watching this video. Again, I really do appreciate your comments. So until next time, God bless you. Have a wonderful evening.